If you are still making these skincare mistakes this year 2025, I don't know what to tell you, but let me just inform you that if you keep making these skincare mistakes, you would never achieve that skin that you are dreaming to achieve. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Favy, and if today is the very first day you see me on your screen, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Amarachi Favy, and over here we do all things related to skincare, feminine hygiene. I give you guys tips, and I also tell you the skincare mistakes that you are making that might be damaging your skin, just like as I'm doing or I'm about to do in this very video. So if you know that you are looking forward to know the skincare mistakes that you are making, because you will be making these mistakes but you are not even aware that you are making these skincare mistakes, okay? And then you are wondering why these products are not working for you, you are wondering why you are not having that glowy and radiant skin, then this video is a video that you should watch from the beginning till the end, so that you would learn the skincare mistakes that you are making this year 2025 and stop it, so that in the year 2026 you would glow like never before. This kind of video is going to be very interested to watch. Just sit back, grab your jotter, okay, and your biro, then let's start the video. So the very first skincare mistake that you might be making this year 2025 is you using too many actives in your routine. Using too many actives in your routine. For example, you would see someone, okay, the person will be using retinol, the person will be using glycolic acid, salicylic acid, AHAs, BHAs, and benzoyl peroxide and the likes of it. Just one person and just one routine. The person will pack all these actives on her face or his face and then expect her face to glow. There's no how your face can glow, because these actives will break your skin barrier and even damage your skin barrier and then give you a bad skin, okay? So please stick to a particular active that is designed for your skin concern. For example, if you have an oily and acne prone skin, stick to salicylic acid, leave other ones. Or if you're going to stick to benzoyl peroxide, stick to benzoyl peroxide and leave other ones, okay? One active at a time. And actives are not something that you should use all the time, okay? Please do not abuse your actives. So the second skincare mistake that may be making this year 2025 would be that you're using expired skincare products. I know that most of you are going to disagree with me on this one and say, I don't use expired products. I make sure I check the expiry date of my products. Before you come for me, relax, okay? If you get your products, okay, for example, let me use this Face Fact Foaming Cleanser as, you know, illustration. If you check here now, you are seeing what 12M. There's this jar icon that is on every product, okay, that says either says 9M or 12M or 24M. 9M meaning 9 months, 12 months, or 24 months. It literally means that if you open this particular product on the 1st of January, okay, 2025, as it's written 12M, it means that it's supposed to expire on the 1st of January 2026, because it is 12M. So it means that whenever you open your product, you should check the jar icon, okay, and know what is written there. If what is written there is 9 months, after 9 months, that product is already what? Expired. Stop using it, even if it has not finished. It's one of the skincare mistakes that most of us normally make. Would want to finish that product even after it has gone beyond what is written on the what? Jar icon. I know that yes, it might actually say on the body that it's going to expire in 2 years time, in 3 years time, but that does not mean that you should keep using that product till 3 years time or 2 years time. This is the reason why most of us will say, I use a product and it was working for me, then all of a sudden after some months the product stopped working for me. It stopped working for you because the product have already what? Expired. So please look at your product, mark the date that you opened that product. If you know that you don't have a retentive memory to remember, or you are not certain that you're going to finish this product within the time that they gave, the time range that they gave on the jar icon, make sure that you always write it down on the container, get a masking tape and write the exact date, so that it will help you to keep to track, so that you would know when this particular product is expired. I just hope that you understand this particular point. The third skincare mistake that you're making this year would be you buying every viral product that you see on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, and on YouTube platforms, okay? Any creator that you have seen that have talked about a particular product, your own duty is just to rush to the market and get that product. Sis, it is very wrong, like very, very wrong of you to do. Do not keep buying products that are viral. It's not like I'm saying that viral products are not okay. Make sure that before you buy that viral product, that particular product is targeted for your skin type and your skin concern. If you already know the skincare creator that is talking about that product, or the UGC creator that's talking about that product, you can go ahead to know if that particular product that she talks about is in line with your skin type and your skin concern. Like my followers already know that I have an oily skin and an acne prone skin. So if I'm talking about a product, okay, you should know that most of the products that I'm going to give to you as a demonstrative video, okay, would have to be the product that are what targeted for my skin type and my skin concern. So if you have an acne prone skin, you should know they're supposed to use this kind of product I'm using. For example, I'm using this foaming cleanser, but that does not mean that you now, as a dry skin, has to use this cleanser. It will strip your skin of essential oil and damage your skin barrier, okay? So make sure that the viral products that you're getting from all these creators are talking about it are tallying with your skin concern and your skin type, okay? You cannot be treating acne and you're getting products for those that are having sunburn. I don't know if I'm understanding my point. So it does not really tally. So make sure that you are buying the thing that you're supposed to buy. Number one, this will save you money, and this will also save you from a lot of skin wahala, because sometimes you might not even have a particular skin concern, but because you saw a creator review that product or review that product, you will now go ahead to buy it, and then the product will not give you more wahala on your skin. The next thing I want to tell you under this point is that products will keep coming out as long as we are alive, okay? Factories and companies, manufacturers will keep making products, and we, the creators, will do what? We will keep reviewing products, okay? Most times I will never want to review a particular product. Most of you come under my comment section and say, Amarachi, Favy, why don't you try this one and tell us? Why don't you do this one and do this one? So what am I trying to say? Products will keep coming, okay? And we creators will keep doing what? Reviewing products. So imagine you now buying every product that you see on the social media. You're going to wasting your money. So let us just stop that this year, so that we'll stop confusing our skin and we'll stop breaking our skin barrier, okay? The fourth skincare mistake that you may be making this year 2025 is you neglecting your sunscreen. I've talked about this countless times. Sunscreens are non-negotiable when it comes to skincare, okay? Whether you are going out or you're not going out, please apply your sunscreen, because the sun is so hot. The weather is so hot this period that the sun can literally burn your skin, okay? You might be causing yourself skin damage. You might be giving yourself hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, sunburn. Even your dark spot that you're trying to treat will even keep getting more pigmented because you're exposing your bare face to the sun. And also, you can even be exposing yourself to skin cancer, okay? Because the sun can actually give us what? Skin cancer. The UV rays that come from the sun can give us skin cancer. So please, if you're going out, protect your skin. Is your skin we're talking about here? Protect your skin and apply sunscreen so that your skin will stay protected from the harmful UV rays, okay? The next skincare mistake that you are making would be wrong exfoliation habits. Under this, I'm going to grade it under exfoliation, over exfoliation, and no exfoliation, okay? Most of us do not even have any business exfoliating. We don't even know that they used to exfoliate our skin, okay? That way, dead skin cells will keep piling up on your skin, and then closing your skin pores. Any product that you're using on a closed skin pores will never penetrate into your skin, okay? Otherwise, it just what? Wasting your time applying those products on your skin. Then the next thing that we do is that we do not even exfoliate as regular as we should. Most of us will exfoliate when we remember. That is under exfoliation. Maybe we exfoliate once in a month, 2 times in a month. It does not work like that. Study your skin type and know how you're going to be doing what? Exfoliating your skin. Do not exfoliate your skin when you remember or when you feel like. Have a routine that you follow so that your skin will be new, your skin pores will be open, and your dead skin cells will go away. Then most of us fall under the over exfoliation table, okay? Most of us over exfoliate our skin because I said that we should do what? Exfoliate our skin. Then you now go ahead to now be exfoliating your skin every 3 AK market days. Every day exfoliating your skin. If you are over exfoliating your skin, you are going to be stripping your skin of essential oil, you are going to be damaging your skin barrier, and you're going to be causing micro tears on the surface of your skin, and this is not what we are going for this 2025. So please mind the way that you exfoliate your skin. Do not over exfoliate, do not under exfoliate, and do not neglect exfoliating your skin. Okay, the sixth skincare mistake that most of us might be making would be you ignoring your hands and your neck. Okay, most of us, when we're applying our skincare products on our face, we stop at our jawline. We don't have any business coming down here. We don't even have any business with our hands. Like most of us, when you look at our neck and our hands, you might be saying, is this person in her 40s or her 50s? But then when you look at the person's face, you might not be saying, is this person in her 20s? Like, giving all shades of aging. Okay, our neck and our hands show signs of aging. So please, while you're applying your moisturizers and your sunscreens, extend them to your neck, extend them to your hands. Get yourself a good hand cream that you can always apply on your hands, so that your hands will do what? Look fresh, appear fresh, and they will not age faster than your face or your body. Okay, so please, while you're applying your products, we know that they are expensive, but please, the leftovers, push them down from your jawline towards your neck, and then the remaining ones on your hand, you can just quickly do what? Apply it on your hands, so that they will not age faster than your face. Do you understand? The seventh skincare mistake that you're making is that you're applying your products on a dry skin. I've said this thing countless times on this channel. The importance of you applying your products on a damp skin cannot be overemphasized, whether it is on your face or on your body. The main thing is that once you're out of the shower, go ahead to do your routines. Do not hesitate. Do not go about looking for what is not looking for you, okay? Looking for gist, looking for amebo, looking for anything that you're looking for. Just go ahead to do what? Moisturize your body, moisturize your face, do your routines. Your serums and your moisturizers work better on a damp skin. That way your skin pores are still open, your skin is supple and fresh, soft. It will just quickly do what? Absorb these products, and then let the products give you the benefit as it's supposed to give on your skin. So please, do not apply your products on a dry skin. That way your skin pores are closed and your products will just be sitting on your skin. And once you sweat, it will just move away, move out of your skin, because it's never even went deep into your skin. So please, from today, let us learn the habit of applying our products on a damp skin. Damp meaning that your skin is not too wet and your skin is not dry. Your skin is just in the middle. Okay, the eighth skincare mistake that you may be making is you storing your skincare products in the bathroom. This is one thing that most of us do, because we feel like, once I'm done from the shower, I want to just quickly just do my routine. I don't want to come out and be looking for my serum, looking for my toner, looking for... Please remove those products from the bathroom, because the heat and humidity in that bathroom can cause some of the ingredients in our products not to be effective as they're supposed to be. Ingredients like retinol, vitamin C, niacinamide gets broken easily when you store your products in the bathroom. Store your products in a dry and safe place, like your shelf in your room, okay? Or you can get a skincare fridge. That is, if you have the money, if you can afford it, you can get a skincare fridge and store your products in your skincare fridge. Skincare fridge, not your normal fridge, please. The ninth skincare mistake that you're making will be you using hot water to have your bath. Emphasis on what? Hot. The word hot. I did not say you should not use warm water to bathe. Okay, please do not use hot water to bathe. Most of it, the kind of water that you use to have your bath, can literally peel the back of a chicken, like it can peel the back of a full fowl. Please do not use hot water while having your bath. You are destroying your skin. You are damaging your skin. It will make you to have a dry skin. It will make you to have a flaky skin. It will make your skin to appear ashy, and it will even strip your skin of essential oil and then break your skin barrier. If you are cold and you cannot use cold water to run your bath, you can use warm water. Dilute your water, dilute that hot water very well, make it warm. You will not still die, okay? So please, do not use hot water while bathing. Use warm water or cold water. Ever since I stopped using hot water to have my bath, there is nothing that you can tell me I've noticed a significant change on my skin. Hot water will make your skin to be very, very dry, that you might even start classifying your skin as a dry skin. Meanwhile, you're not even a dry skin. It's because you're using what? Excessive hot water to run your bath. So the 10th and the final skincare mistake that you're making this year would be you using physical scrubs on your face. Using harsh physical scrubs on your face, or in general using physical scrubs on your face, it is not ideal that you use your physical scrubs, which are your sugar scrubs or your salt scrubs, which are supposed to use on your body, on your face. Your face is very, very thin. The skin on your face is very, very thin, okay, and very, very delicate, and it can easily cause micro tears when you use physical scrubs on your face. Like I said, it is very, very important and paramount that you study your skin and know your skin type. I'm going to leave the link on where I talked about knowing your skin type, so that once you know your skin type, you would know the particular chemical exfoliant that is ideal for your skin type, so that you would use it on your face. I always advise that you use chemical exfoliants on your face and then use physical scrubs on your body. Once you are using physical scrubs on your body, you are automatically over exfoliating your face, and we know what over exfoliation can cause on our skin. It is very, very bad for you to over exfoliate your skin. So please ditch that your salt scrub and your sugar scrub. Even if they wrote face and body, do not use it on your face, okay? Only use it on your body, and then go ahead to use your chemical exfoliants on your face. And there you have it, my loves. These are the 10 skincare mistakes that by making this year 2025, and I decided to just bring it to you so that you would not making this mistake and enter 2026, okay? You have to put an end to these mistakes. Do not make these mistakes and carry them over to 2026, because you're going to be damaging your skin barrier, and in general, you're not going to have a glowy skin. If you have watched particular points of the video and you are yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, please remember to subscribe, like this video, share this video, leave a notification bell on so that you'll be the person to get notified once I upload a new video here on YouTube. Leave a comment in the comment section telling me that skincare mistake that you normally make that I talked about in this video, okay? I would love to know. And until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.